Puppy's working hard. You good? Yeah. I wonder, do you play fetch? Should we try it? You ready? You ready? You ready? Go get it! Hey, alright, bring it here. Bring it here. Come on. Okay, we'll keep working on that. Woo! Good morning. Sorry, no montage this morning. Coffee's ready and the energy is flowing, let's just say. Yeah, today it's not a school day, but you know, sometimes in life when your kid says, oh yes, we made these amazing plans to do these things, and these things are magically gonna happen.
Hello? Hello? Yeah. Me a come. Yeah. Me a come now. Me a go Highgate. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
That's what we call these last minute adventure ideas, and we're gonna meet at this one time in this one place and it'll work out. So I brought my coffee with me. Hopefully it doesn't spill in the taxi, but it will be an adventure either way. Hope everyone's doing well. Happy Thursday, and here we go. I couldn't exactly drink the coffee well in the taxi for obvious reasons, but it didn't spill a drop, unlike Junior's lotion. We learned a valuable lesson today, Junior? Mm-hmm. What don't you do with lotion?
Put in a mug.
Why?
Hi, eat this spoon.
It is a pump lotion, Junior. You put it in your bag, it pumps itself, and the lotion does what?
Spill.
Yeah, so where's the lotion now, Junior? Much better. Oh, learn something new every day. Junior's off on a little adventure today, supposedly going to White River with a group of his friend accomplices. I guess a church group is headed there, I'm assuming. We're gonna go try to find him, and then I'm going home. Taking deep breaths. Right, Junior?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the fun thing about holidays is that you never know when you're gonna get a taxi. And I was like, well, I'm gonna enjoy a nice little therapeutic walk. It's a beautiful morning, not too hot. And if a taxi shows up along the way, then I guess we'll take them. So win-win for everyone, because got to stretch the legs a little bit this morning and then got rescued. And got a taxi the rest of the way. But Junior is off on his adventure with his friends and responsible parent figures, I presume. And we're gonna make a day of it. We're supposedly going to finally get that painting done in the back that we've been putting off for quite some time. And I don't know, not sure where things are headed. Hopefully the boys might want to be interested in helping out with that, assuming I can trust them with a paintbrush. I don't know. Oil-based paint's not my favorite to work with, but you have my word. This is the nice thing about this platform, is if I say I'm gonna do it, then I actually gotta follow up and do it. So thanks for holding me accountable. Going home. Man, just when you thought the boys were turning a new leaf and taking initiative and doing things without having to be asked, my poor chickens. I know, it's like 9 a.m. Nobody lets you guys out. Can you believe it? Man, tell them how you feel. I hear you, man. These kids, I thought somebody would come save you. No, don't worry, I got you. Go see what's going on out there. Not much. It's a holiday today, okay? So you guys just chill. Yep. Next set of bananas coming in. Gonna be a little while, but looking good. Yeah, Sonia decided those little ones over there, we boiled them up in green bananas and they were pretty fantastic. She left Bob there to continue to prosper. Yeah, but the peppers are still coming in strong. Hold on. Oh, too close. Chickens, you don't want a pepper, trust me. Although, they say birds have a anti-pepper receptor. They don't taste the heat. I don't know if that works for chickens too. But there's a few. There's a few bigger. Wow. Look at, hello. Look at you. Thank you. How you doing? And another one. All right, we got some peppers today. Cool. Should we check on the carrots? It's been a while. I think we're gonna give them a little spritz. It was supposed to rain last night, but it never did. I don't think, at least. One more pepper. Thank you. Carrots, how you doing? Yeah, cool. Getting bigger, nice. Nothing says excitement's like caring for carrots. Cool.
Dinosaur bite, you know. Old dinosaur, that's a dinosaur there. So I think you're afraid of. You're not afraid of. Oh, you're not afraid of dog? No. What is dog? Dog don't bite. Where drop me dog from? Old dinosaur. Dinosaur not bite. Dinosaur don't bite. You see? Clap yourself. Clap yourself. Dinosaur don't bite. Look. Give me buddy. I bet dinosaur bite. Ruffy. Dinosaur.
I'm not sure we're gonna have enough paint, but I've got a couple partial cans. Should be good to go. Some classic brushes. I always find it amusing. Like, I bought a brand new brush, put it down there, albeit a month or two ago, and now it's nowhere to be found. Sweet. before we tackle the painting project, gotta update John Hope. Gotta let you know how they're all doing. Ready? Yes, yes. Keeping the white flies at bay. Everybody's looking pretty good. Like I said, really happy with this location. Even when it rains, they don't get too drenched, but they are coming in strong, man. The front runner right here. How you doing? Cool. Forget Sonia's planting pot. Put it full of great fertilized dirt. Check out her seeds. Yep. Still waiting for that magical day that she puts some seeds in there. Yep. Hello! It's him, it's you, it's everybody. Yay! Oh, what's up, what's up, what's up? Yes, yes. The kids are back. You know, like painting projects, they seem like a good idea before you start, and then you start and we can't wait to be done. Yeah, this is definitely one of those. Cloudy day would have been nice, but it's a start. Still got to figure out how to reach Old Faithful over there. At least we can say we started something productive, unlike Dave over here, who's just walking up and down. Don't tell no lies. Really? Should we go see how much work you got done? Alright, Dave claimed that he has moved a heap of sand, making room for the drive. Okay. It looks like the sand has been displaced. It's a good start. Almost can get the vehicle to the garage now. It's gonna happen.
Breaking news. Guys, we are picking some jelly and I am going to start my news reports, so stay tuned for it. Look at the view, guys. Look at the view. Look at the view. Here's the chickens. The chicken them in a den cool. Well, I can't see them right now. So that's where I go. Yes. So, breaking news. They said they was missing 2 jelly off a tree, and they claimed to say it was C. C was charged by head, was taken $5 million for $6 million. Now see report the scene at 12 o'clock. Here is my little friend. Say hello. You good? You good? You good?
Put it down.
Put it down. Alright. Say happy birthday. Sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Now you have to sing.
Happy birthday.
Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Oh.
You want Wally?
Yeah.
What you say?
Okay, tell him.
Good morning, Daddy. Good morning. Good morning.
What are you going to tell him? Tell him all about your day.
Good morning. Did you drop? Did you drop?
I see that. Tell him how your day was.
Drop. Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Careful.
Good morning.
Good
morning.
You want to tell him what you're doing today?
Good morning.
Tell him what you're doing today. Wait, don't touch.
I'm doing this.
Back up, back up. I can't see you. There you go. Alright, tell him what you're doing today.
Good morning.
Tell him what you're doing today.
Good morning. Good morning.
Alright, tell him what you're doing.
Good morning.
What are you doing today? You gonna tell him what you're doing today? Mahrez, tell him what you're doing.
Yes.
Alright, puppy. Get him. Are you eating today, or are you going to eat later? Come here. Want to try it? Do you want to? Come on. What do you think? No? Yes? Maybe? Alright. It's right there when you're ready. Uh-huh. 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 You're not hungry yet? Tell him, Mahrez. Tell him. Hmm? Alright, he's not ready to eat yet. Maybe later.
No, I'll show you. Show you.
Let's just take some observations here real quick. We have Sonia scooping, Dave running for a broom to make it look like he's doing something, Puppy chewing on a stick, and Craig reeling away. Oh, sir. Yes. It's not on, man. Huh? It's not on, man. Oh, the camera's not on right now. You want to talk to this one? Talk to this one.
Good morning.
Good morning. It's afternoon, dude.
Good morning.
It's afternoon. And how was your day? Come here. Let's talk to him. How was your day?
Good morning.
Okay, so you're still in morning. Good morning. Craig, it's dead. All right, that it? Nothing else? We got the morning down. It's good afternoon. Afternoon, okay. Close enough. What, that's better than dog food? Coconut husk? Really? Really? Okay. Okay, for the record, I like to let the clouds come out when you're at least done for the day. A little bit of sprinkle, hopefully it doesn't affect the first coat. But we're Definitely gonna need a second coat. And for my painter connoisseurs, yes, that oil-based paint had some paint in it already. It was a used can, so it was pre-thinned, I guess is what the directions say you need to do. But I wish I would have done it before and after, because we had enough to get the outside part done. Oh, too close. All right, starting to look like a house again. Hooey! Even got the side. At least the outside of it. Yeah, the biggest thing is making sure we get the parts that are exposed to the sun the best, and then we'll get the rest of it after we get a little more paint. Whew, all in all, I'm gonna call this one a win. Everybody's almost done. There's almost room for the future vehicle. Puppy's working hard. You good? Yeah. I wonder, do you play fetch? Should we try it? You ready? You ready? You ready? Go get it! Hey, all right, bring it here. Bring it here. Come on. Okay, we'll keep working on that. Cool. Yeah, he goes and gets it, but he doesn't exactly bring it back. You good? Okay. Bubby, you're supposed to bring it back. Almost, Dave. He brought, hey, come here. Hey, you ready? You ready? You ready? Hey, Bubby, ready? Get it. Close enough. We'll just keep working on it. If you're wondering how she gets those, this is it. I'll show the boys how to do it. Need to make a disclaimer here. I've got mac and cheese in my hand. I didn't make it. It was made in this dish right here. Even got a fork. Hand delivered to me. Once you place your bets, who do you think made the mac and cheese and delivered it to me without any complaints and any astonished reactions, and even let me choose which bowl I was going to get to have? Come on, place your bets. Who could it be? 3, 2, 1. What'd you break, Craig? What did you break besides my heart? Right. I'm going to break that chair if you can't find 4 legs on it. Yeah, Craig. He wanted mac and cheese, and he knew the only way to get mac and cheese was to Can I? Ah, you could butter me up. Except we don't have any butter for the mac and cheese, do we? Thanks, Craig. You sure you didn't break anything?
Mom.
Yep. Craig, stepping up in the world. Dave, your mac and cheese is getting cold. Nice. Okay, we're trying a new one today. They've been working on their 2s, their 3s, their 4s, their 5s, and their 9s for the multiplication facts. And today we are venturing into the 7s. My hair is an example of how it's going. Yeah, I've Googled the search high and low and far and wide, and unfortunately the multiplication facts for the 7s there's no real tricks besides, as they'd say in the South, getting her done. They're not amused by my accent. It probably sounds... Anyway, so yeah, so hopefully with their 2-7, 3-7, 4-7, 5-7 are already known for the most part. 9-7 already known. 7-10's pretty simple. 7-11, just double the number. 7-12 is a 7 more than 7-11. Yeah, that's me and you. I know. Don't let that smile fool you. We got to do some manual learning. Huh? You want to help with the 7s, dear? The you took Junior's apple?
Well,
we'll go pick a few more anyway. There's some more that they missed. How did the 7 facts? Any recommendation on how we tackle this one?
1 by 7.
Count by 7.
Excellent.
I thought you were going to use the apple analogy and just.
84?
No.
At that
8-8. No, never mind. Disregard. I thought she was going to use the apple analogy. How do you take care of the 7 multiplications? Same way you eat an apple.
Oh, 7
bite.
12 by 84.
1 bite at a time. Yes, Dave. 7-12 is 84. Whee!
Now I'm watching a lot of platform.
She's talking about you guys. It's Craig's got his 7 circles of destiny going here. Cue the time lapse. We're gonna need it. 7s.
What was 7 you doing? Me not do 7 part. I run a 7 do. You were doing the 7 part.
Oh boy. You got this. Okay, I realize it's probably going to need a second coat, and that's fine, but they ate all the apples that they picked earlier today, and sometimes if you want a good apple, you just got to get up there and get it yourself, like that one. Oh, or you can just get ones that you can reach yourself. Oh, wait. Oh, that's how we do it. Just wanted an apple, and now I got one. But I see another one. I'm getting myself an apple since you ate the last of them. Can you help me get the apples? What? Yeah, but when dinner's ready, it gets turned off. You're welcome. Negotiating skills by Dave. Always a pleasure to try to get the upper hand. I'm picking apples. Cool. That'll work. Look at that. This is what we need around here, some sharing. Yeah? Why can't we all just share the apples sometimes? Okay. No fighting, just every chicken for themselves. Right? Cool. Nice. Alright, we'll take it. There are some beautiful, really dark purple apples just out of reach. So it's time that we take on and use the the fruit picker that we got in Panama. It's been sitting on the shelf. Got myself a stick. Gonna go get it and see what happens. Dave, it's time we use this. You're right, I claim this land, fruit picking land. It's not the biggest stick, but I'm gonna make it work. There we go. True story. The problem with the picker and these apples is you're gonna have a lot of casualties, unripe apples falling with the ripe ones. So hold your breath. Round one. Watch out for fallen white apples. No, I dropped the first one. That was embarrassing. Chickens? It was gonna be a beauty. Now it's all yours. Man, 0 for 1. Come on, picker. That was a good one, too. Take 2. See that beautiful red one right there, surrounded by all those white ones. All you gotta do is just fall into the basket without picking up too many white ones. That would be great. Come on. No, you're literally, oh my goodness. Oh. Going down. Going down. Hold on. You guys don't know how exciting this is. I think this is our first successful. All right. The fruit has been picked. Cool. It works. Number 2. Here we go. Apples are soft. Oh, I'm stuck. This is what I'm talking about, man. The tree took my picker. No, we got this. We can do this. Give me back. Okay, apple's in. Going down. Whoa. Number 2. I think we got a hang of this. I'm not gonna lie, this picker is a game changer, man. We're winning the war. I'll say hi to the plantains real quick. What's up? But more importantly, we're gonna get one more, I think. Getting a gentle touch, man. Just give it a little tap, tappy. A tap-a-roo. And if all goes according to plan, there it is. Still got it. Still got it. Still on my still slogans. I think that's enough apples for today. As I got done picking apples, guess who showed up? Guess. Yes, it's you. How were the Crusades?
Good.
Okay, we're working on expanding our storytelling. So, Junior, where did you go?
Ochi.
What did you do in Ochi?
Beach. You see beach where they decide the hotel.
Mm-hmm.
Like, you go see party cruise ship there.
Mm-hmm.
That's the one we're gonna.
A different one.
Yeah.
Okay. Was there a...
Sun right before I already go.
Right, by the hotel.
Yeah.
Was there a cruise ship today?
No.
So what'd you guys do all day?
And then we go on boat ride, party boat.
Really? You weren't afraid?
Of course, when we go up and then show the dolphin. There's a dolphin in there. And then we see, and I go down one deep part. And then we see fish.
Cool. What did you eat today?
Dumpling and pork.
Ooh. What kind of pork?
And the pork, what is your name again? Oxtail.
Oxtail?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah. And it's salty.
I bet it was. Okay.
And we eat. What we put the name again?
Pudding?
No. I can't remember.
Most important question. Are you ready? Did you have fun?
Yep.
Second most important question. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Did you behave yourself?
Yeah.
Third most important question. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Would you like an apple?
Yes, please.
Cool. Go for it.
Thanks.
Kids. Yeah, you see that? I picked that with my Panamanian picker.
Oh, I fix it.
What?
Word to fix it.
Did you hear that? You hear that confidence that they have in me doing stuff around the house? Who helped you attach this to the stick? Seriously, Junior? Who helped me? You think I couldn't do this by myself? You can tell me to my face. It's okay.
So one more apple there?
Yeah, there's a few more, I know, but I'm gonna leave them for tomorrow because we already have a full bowl. Most importantly, you know, like in those comic strips, and there's like two pictures, and like you have to try to find the things that are different between the two. Junior, are you ready? Okay. On the count of three, don't do it yet, but on the count of three, I'm gonna ask you to turn around. Don't do it yet. Don't. No. I'm gonna ask you to turn around, and I'm gonna ask you what is different. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Turn around. No, like literally turn around and face the house. What do you notice is different?
What?
Look at the house. What is different? Yes, they moved the sand and the gravel to make way for the future car. Nothing else different. Really?
Not different.
Wow. So like the hour to 2 hours that I spent doing something today, you don't even notice the difference.
Wow.
You don't see it.
There's nothing.
Junior, look at the colors. Do you see anything different?
Color. What color?
Any of the colors. Is anything different from how you last remembered it?
No.
And it was at that moment he realized Junior doesn't notice. Junior, I painted all of this wood here. Yes, that is new. Don't touch it. It's still wet, probably. And all of the wood over there. And look at the... See where the ladder is? That was kind of a clue. I shimmied up that ladder onto the roof just to paint the side of the roof. You know, I'm going to take that as a compliment because we paid somebody to paint the rest of this. The fact that he didn't even notice it was different and the fact that it doesn't stick out, I'm going to call that a good thing. Thanks, Junior. Do you know what's for dinner?
Pork and rice.
Oh, you got the important stuff figured out. All right, let's get one more apple and get out of here. I was going to say, the ocean water is not water you should be drinking. I don't know if that's something you want to brag about. Was it salty?
Of course.
Yeah, probably
The
not.
people then just make water when I'm more.
The people made the water go in your mouth.
Then just run in the water.
You couldn't shut your mouth? Could you put 4 legs on your chair so we can get started?
Yeah, that's it.
Junior, can we get started?
Yeah.
You want to start?
No first.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Thank you for in this food, Sonia. And thank you for going to Ochi.
Nobody else went to Ochi, Junior.
Then do you want to go?
You're thanking yourself for going to Ochi.
Maybe
Okay. Cool.
Thanks Sonia for cooking this food. I move some today.
You moved some sand.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, oh, funny story actually. I brought Junior, well, Junior showed up in the back, surprisingly enough, but I told him to look at the house to see if he noticed anything different. What do you think he noticed?
It's on.
The sand was gone. Did he notice any of my beautiful painting?
No.
It's okay. I took that as a compliment because I figured if he didn't notice it, then it didn't look any different than the guys that we paid to paint the rest of it, so that's a good thing. Cool. So I'm thankful for Junior having a good time and behaving himself. I got a good report from the ladies, so that was nice to hear. Sonia, thank you for cooking the curry goat, or mutton. And it was an eventful day. I was going to walk home from Highgate, but because there wasn't a whole lot of taxis because of the holiday, but he swung by after I got to like Miss Page's and picked me up again. So I'm glad I didn't have to walk all the way home. Although I would have enjoyed it because it was a pretty nice day so far. That's it.
Thank you, Sonia, for cooking food.
You're welcome. I know that's what you hear in my food.
And I do some work in the yard today.
Can you help with the grandson?
Yeah, Mahrez was here with was good adventure with Mahrez and the barrow and stuff. Yeah, we had fun outside. Building, shopping yard, taking up gravel and crab ready to eat.
Amen.
Okay, guys, eat.
Alright, let's eat. Calling that the curry goat and rice happy dance, I guess.
Are going to block the cook, so stay tuned to see what they will do. See Sonia there? See Sonia there? See Sonia there? That's a bullfrog. Pam, pam, pam. Padum. Padum, pam.
Are you okay down there?
The most okay. We are see who first reach on the front. Go, 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 go.